where we'll talk about the research methodology. And this is a section that must be well written and logically organized and presented. The reader will never have a study outcome from which to evaluate whether your methodology is correct or not in the research proposal. So our objective in the methodology is to ensure that the reader is convinced that your overall research, design, and methods of analysis will correctly address the research problem. This is why the methodology should be related to your research questions and to your topic. We know that you might not have findings where we can then judge your methodology as being relevant, accurate, or not. But you need to know the best methodology that you can use for the topic that you choose. This is why your research, your methodology should always be tied to the specific aims of your study. Some of the methods that you can use: questionnaire for data collection, interviews. I would like to investigate the following by interviewing, by giving participants questionnaires, observations, surveys, experiments. So you need to describe how each method, if you use any of these, how you will apply this method. A questionnaire, the questionnaire that you want to have, the questions that you include, the answers in the questions, the options that the student might have, the number of where exactly you want to do this, detailed description of your method or tool. The methodology is crucial because we usually judge the validity of your research and the authenticity of your results based on the methodology. Whether this is realistic, this is appropriate, and then we can then say that your results are correct or can be accepted. The methodology to the reader will then tell the reader that your results are accurate because you did so and so, or you might do so and so. And keep in mind that you need a methodology that you can use in the community if you talk about field work in the community that you work within. Not any methodology. For example, you can't interview females as a male in a community, in certain communities. So you can't have interviews in this regard. You might give questionnaires. You need natural data, spontaneous data, normal data. You don't have a questionnaire. We have interviews. So keep in mind your research, the aims of your research, then choose the best methodology that you can choose. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.